Ross Vonda V Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Tommy.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Tommy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, for one, we should have been here a long time ago, but someone keeps delaying.
Really?
Anyway,
Really?
Yes, really. You want to start this here? Okay, we could have started this a long time ago.
You need to stop, okay?
Mr. Tommy and ma'am, really? I mean, the last time I checked, I was the judge. I was asking the questions. I should be the only person in here with a neck rolling and attitude.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you understand?
Yes.
I understand that tensions are high. Anytime you're talking about children and money, tensions are going to be high. But you all need to try at least to keep it together. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, continue, sir.
Okay, well, she gave me money. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it was once. And
One time?
Yes. It's
For
not
how many kids?
2.
Okay.
And they're in my care right now, and I go full-time to a film school. It's a great film school, but it's very expensive. And I am a trust fund baby. That I realize that.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. But it's running out, and I am scared that I can't afford some of the things that they may need because they're talking about wanting to go into the same thing that I'm doing. And that scares me, for one, because it's very expensive.
Are you paying for school out of that trust too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
Not that you would like.
Okay, well, please, thank you for saving me from that. This case has been pending for a long time. 6 months is a long time. And he says that you keep on delaying it. So I need to know.
Welcome to today's courtroom showdown. Things are heating up fast in a tense case between Mr. Tummy and M. Vonda, who are battling over child custody, support, and a whole lot of personal drama. This case is packed with emotion and surprises, from accusations of dishonesty to an unexpected shooting incident. It's not just about money. It's about family, trust, and what happens when emotions run high in a legal fight. The courtroom is set, the tension is real, and the outcome could change lives. Will justice win out, or will the chaos take over? Stay tuned. You won't want to miss what happens next.
What is the reason for the delay?
Your Honor, the delay is because he don't even need to have the kids. The only reason why he got the kids anyway was because of his mama and daddy in that damn trust fund. Okay, and then on top of that, he put a case on me.
Are you mad that you don't have a trust fund?
No, I'm not mad that I don't have a trust fund. I got my pension and my retirement, but the problem is he's spoiled.
Please keep talking.
He's spoiled. He's spoiled.
And you have a retirement. Okay, but the children live with him, and it sounds like you're big mad.
No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad behind that. Okay.
What are you upset about?
I'm upset because he pulled the wool over my eyes. Okay.
Okay.
When we first hooked up, all right, I told him what it was that I wanted to be a cop. I always wanted to be a cop, right?
All right.
So he pulls a trick and then ends up getting me pregnant.
What does pull a trick mean?
He poked holes in the condom.
Oh, okay. Well.
And now I got twins. I had the kids originally, but because him and his family got money and he got that stupid trust, guess what? He went and lied. Now he got custody. So it's been taking so long because we've been back and forth out of custody court. And then not to mention, he put a case on me because I shot him in his ass. He's an asshole. That's why I shot him.
No, you shot me in the leg and it hurt, and the medical bills are still piling up. Thank you very much. Okay.
Stop.
You know what? Both of you stop. Both of you stop, because this is a lot. I hope you guys do not do this in front of your children. This is absolutely ridiculous. I understand that you're upset, ma'am, but the first thing you're going to do is learn how to speak without cursing, okay? That's the first thing you're going to learn how to do, because trust me, it's a whole lot of stuff that I want to say up here that I don't say. So you're going to learn.
Now that was an entrance. Did you see it? You could feel the tension in the room. It's all boiling down to money and custody. Miss Vonda isn't holding back. She's accusing Mr. Tummy of misleading her into having kids, then using his family's money to try and win custody. But here's the thing, there are a lot of mixed-up details in their stories. It's clear this isn't going to be a smooth ride. And just when you think you know what's going on, the first big surprise of the day is about to hit. Watch closely. The mood in that courtroom is shifting fast, and things are about to get messy. Who do you think has the upper hand?
behave.
I
And
have a
stop
question
shooting
for my
people.
kid.
Just because you have a gun, does not give you the right to go around shooting people. Okay? Whether it's in his behind or it was in his leg, you should not be going around shooting people.
His behind.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, well, either way, all I need to know about is the money. And you said you did a whole lot of talking. You talked about you being a cop. You said pension. You said retirement. That is music to my ears dealing with child support, okay? So what I need to know, okay, thanks. Hold on. What I need to know, he said you gave him money one time. Is that true?
No.
It's a yes or a no.
No, that's not true.
So how much money have you given him total?
About $3,000.
About $3,000. Whether it happened one time or not, all I need is the amount. How much money do you make a year?
$57,000.
$57,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
It's $68.
$68. Okay. You're about $5 off. I have 63.
Well, 60.
check.
Okay, it's 63.
Okay, 63. $63, okay? $5, it doesn't make a big difference. Excuse me. I'm not going to ask you again to stop talking to each other. I'm not going to do it. You do not apologize.
And just like that, things have completely spiraled. The courtroom is now as chaotic as their relationship. We're hearing serious accusations, tampering with birth control, someone getting shot in the leg, and even physical fights happening in front of their children. It's shocking. The judge isn't letting any of it slide. She's stepping in, making it clear there are rules, both in the courtroom and in life, that need to be followed. But here's what's really troubling: the emotional toll on the kids. This isn't just about custody anymore, it's turning into a toxic power struggle. And that kind of tension can leave deep, lasting scars. So here's the question: how far is too far when fighting for your children? Would you go to these lengths? Or do these actions raise serious red flags?
Again, I just need you to sit over there and be quiet and let me calculate these numbers, okay? And sir, I'm going to need you to just leave her alone, okay? I do not need her to shoot you in this courtroom, okay? So, based on that $57,000 a year, we're going to, your gross is $4,700. That's correct. Giving you credit for the $63 that you pay in health insurance, that brings your net to $3,864.83. Okay? Child support, $966.21.
A month?
Yeah. What do you want it to be? You want me to make it a week? I mean, I wish I had the authority to do that, but I don't.
I put my life on the line every day, and I gotta pay for this bum. Like, my kid's supposed to be with me anyway.
Are you kidding me right now?
Excuse me, Mr.
He's
Tommy.
not gonna use that for the kids.
Listen here. I applaud you for going out and putting your life on the line every single day. But just like a lot of people out here, they put their lives on the line too when you are raising children. You have to worry about their safety. You have to worry about their welfare when they're no longer in your possession. So it's a lot of people out here have other people dependent on them. Okay?
I understand.
So if you understand, well, let me go ahead and help you understand a little bit further what else you have to do, because I hadn't finished yet. $966.21 is your monthly obligation. However, this case has been delayed a lot because of you. So I'm going to make your child support amount retroactive for the past 6 months. So giving you credit for that $3,000 that you testified to, and he said that you've given him some money. You said it was $3,000. I'm going to take your word for it, okay? Giving you credit for that $3,000, your retroactive child support or back pay, whichever one you want to call it, comes down to $2,448 that you owe in back pay, and I'm going to make that payable at $55 a month. All right? So payable at $55 a month added to your child support obligation, your monthly obligation is $1,021.21. I don't need you looking confused or anything like that, because you have a pension and you have a retirement. I need you to pinch from it and keep living. That's all I need you to do.
I'm not even invested. So,
well, you know what?
Invested in your kids?
I'm not, listen, it ain't about my kids.
You know what, Mr. Tommy, do you have anything further?
No, you've been more than helpful. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Wait a second. Did you catch that? The judge just hit Mr. Tummy with a serious financial ruling, $966 a month in child support, plus back payments. That's no small amount. But here's where things get complicated. Mr. Tummy says he's the one getting the raw deal. He claims his life's on the line every day as a police officer. Sure, that's a risky job, but isn't every parent out there doing what they can to support their family? Parenting is tough no matter what, especially when it comes to time, responsibility, and money. And just so you know, it's not all on him. Vonda's going to have to contribute financially too. So get ready for even more arguments about who's really stepping up for the kids and who's just pointing fingers.
Ma'am, is there anything else that I could help you with here today?
I just want to make sure my kids get the money. I don't want to pay for his education.
Well, you know what?
He sucks.
You said it. Well, you know what? He ain't sucked that bad when y'all was in the bed. So,
The condom
go
was
ahead. Well, you know what? That has nothing to do with me.
And just like that, it's over. The judge, always the calm authority, brings everything to a close and lays down the terms. This courtroom drama may have been messy, but at least there's a clear resolution now. The final decision? Mr. Tummy will pay $1,021 a month in child support, plus retroactive payments. Vonda may not have gotten everything she hoped for, but she's leaving with financial clarity for the kids after all the drama and accusations. The truth is simple. The kids need support, and both parents need to step up. That's the bottom line here. So, what do you think? Was the judge's ruling fair, or do you think one of them deserved a bigger share of the pie?
That has nothing to do with anything now because the children are here. They live with him. You're going to be responsible for taking care of them financially. Anything else from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You all are dismissed.
Shouldn't have delayed.
Well, folks, there you have it. A wild courtroom ride that proves once again, no family drama stays behind closed doors. The case is closed, with decisions on child support, retroactive payments, and the responsibilities now clearly laid out for both sides. What happens next? Only time will tell how the Tumavonda saga plays out in the real world. But for now, justice has been served. If you thought this case was a roller coaster, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Who do you think was in the right here? And don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns that'll keep you on the edge of your seat.